YAML. Prerequisites. Enroll. Purpose provides AWS Batch with necessary permissions to access other AWS services required for job execution, such as S3 for storing job definitions and logs, and EC2 for launching compute resources. Explanation. AWS Batch requires access to various AWS services to perform its operations effectively. The enroll grants the necessary permissions to access these services, ensuring that AWS Batch can launch and manage jobs without encountering access restrictions. Without the enroll, AWS Batch would be unable to interact with other AWS services, rendering it unusable. VPC. Purpose provides a secure and isolated network environment for running AWS Batch jobs. Explanation. The VPC provides a private network where AWS Batch jobs can communicate with each other and other AWS resources. It helps isolate jobs from the public internet and enhances security by controlling network access. The VPC enables the creation of subnets, security groups, and network access control lists (ACLs), allowing fine-grained control over network traffic for AWS Batch jobs. Compute resources. Purpose provides the actual compute infrastructure where AWS Batch jobs are executed. Explanation. AWS Batch relies on EC2 instances to run jobs. Compute resources can be either EC2 instances or Fargate serverless compute engine. These instances provide the processing power and memory required to run the job tasks. Without compute resources, there would be no platform for AWS Batch to execute jobs. Job definitions. Purpose defines the configuration of an AWS Batch job, including the image, compute resources, and environment variables. Explanation. Job definitions serve as blueprints for creating and running jobs in AWS Batch. They specify the image containing the job's code, the type and size of compute resources needed, and other configuration parameters like environment variables. Without job definitions, AWS Batch would not know how to launch or execute jobs. Job queue. Purpose provides a queue where job definitions are submitted for processing by AWS Batch. Explanation. The job queue acts as a central point where job definitions are placed and managed. AWS Batch picks up jobs from the queue and schedules them for execution on available compute resources. Without a job queue, there would be no mechanism for managing and prioritizing the execution of jobs in AWS Batch. AWS CLI or SDK. Purpose enables interaction with AWS Batch through command line or programming interfaces. Explanation. AWS CLI and SDKs provide a way for users to interact with AWS Batch programmatically. They allow submitting job definitions, monitoring job status, and managing other aspects of the AWS Batch service. Without these tools, users would have to rely on the AWS console for managing AWS Batch, which can be inefficient for complex workflows or automation.